Hey guys, welcome back to the Bye Bye Snoring channel, where we provide you with tips and solutions to help you finally say bye-bye to snoring for good. Believe you me, just about everyone snores occasionally. It is only that the degree of snoring and self-awareness varies from person to person. However, as you get to share the bed with some other person, this little embarrassing problem can be a serious cause of concern. To stop this problem, it is necessary to first identify why you are snoring. At 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞.com, we have a free snoring test that you can download to find out the main cause of your snoring. And the good news is that no matter the cause, there are solutions to relieve almost every type of snoring that may be affecting you. And in this video, I want to share 4 reasons why you should consider using an anti-snoring device. Reason number 1. They are comfortable, convenient, and effective. Different anti-snoring solutions come with a fair share of advantages. A chin strap, for instance, are reputed for being comfortable to wear and convenient to carry around. They are also quite effective in stopping snoring, particularly because the majority of them are built to improve airflow and enhance throat muscle support. For other types of snoring devices that work, see the link in the description below. Reason number 2. Why you should consider using an anti-snoring device is that they provide benefits to your health. Snoring is not a dangerous problem by itself. In fact, apart from the annoying sounds, a snorer may not face any serious health implications in the short run. However, research shows that there are some long-term effects to this nightly habit. Normally, what happens when we sleep is that the throat and tongue muscles tend to relax, thereby blocking the throat. This blockage interferes with the effectiveness of air supply to the lungs, thereby creating conditions favorable to a myriad of health complications. Using an anti-snoring device of choice can go a long way in preventing these health complications. Reason number 3. They are relatively inexpensive. Most anti-snoring devices are relatively inexpensive, and even those that are considered expensive are known to offer good value for money. This is especially important if you have a partner that you sleep with. Snoring can cause separation. So I'm pretty sure you can't put a price on cuddling with your partner and sleeping comfortably throughout the night. Reason number 4. They provide a non-invasive recovery option. Before you think about undergoing surgery to try and stop your snoring problem, you should consider an effective anti-snoring device. Such a device presents you with a clear benefit that is very safe. Normally, surgery is associated with pain, yet there is no guarantee of success. In some cases, it may be successful, only for snoring to return after a few months. This is because snoring is not always caused by the soft palate that is normally trimmed off by surgeons. In most cases, actually, snoring occurs at the base of the tongue, which no surgeon in the world can eradicate. It is also worth remembering that opting for surgery creates room for a variety of side effects and opportunistic infections. And remember, a surgery once done cannot be reversed. An advantage of using an anti-snoring device, on the other hand, is that you can always return the product to the seller based on terms of their money-back guarantee. You can therefore try and fail until you finally find a device that works for your problem. And if you perform the snoring test at 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞.com, you'll know exactly which devices to go for in the first place. This will significantly improve your chances of finding a solution that will work for you. In conclusion, snoring is an involuntary condition that may gradually take its toll on your wellness if left unchecked. So if you or someone you know has a snoring problem, head over to 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞.com and download our free snoring test to find out what exactly is causing you to snore and how you can fix the problem. Do you have any questions? Be sure to leave them in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and click the little belly icon to be notified when we upload new videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate you supporting this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.